Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a couple of things that I recently added and two things that I actually really love, and they're both accessories. The first thing I'm going to show you is a gift that I got from my husband. It's from Gucci. It's a little accessory and it's actually fashion jewelry. And I will say something probably a little bit controversial. When it comes to jewelry, I am very much on the bandwagon of fashion jewelry versus real jewelry. And I know I'm probably the minority when I say that. And the reason for that is because jewelry for me is very expressive in my style. And I really like to kind of be a little bit more creative in the way I accessorize myself with jewelry. And jewelry to me is also super sentimental. One thing you'll probably notice about me is that I'm very particular about my jewelry. When it comes to earrings, that's where I tend to be a lot more playful. And at one point I did want a pair of diamond studs, and that was on my wish list for many years. And I did realize over time that actually I don't want diamond earrings because it's so easy to lose. Like if I lost a pair of diamond studs that were really expensive or really meaningful, I would die inside. I've also lost a few pieces of really meaningful jewelry in the past, and I had a really meaningful one that my parents bought me when I was a teenager, and it was this tiny little gold cross. It had the tiniest little diamond in the middle. I had worn it for like 20 years and I lost it. It's still something that pains me when I think about it. So I never want to be too precious with the type of jewelry I buy. So really for me, any kind of really expensive jewelry, I really want to keep to like a couple of things, and that's it. And everything else will just be playful and fun and a way of expressing my style and my mood, to be honest. So anyway, all that being said, I'm gonna show you what I have here. And again, as I said, it's very playful. These are a pair of earrings from Gucci. The B is very iconic to Gucci. So the B, I mean, this is a perfect example. This B is so beautiful. It's so gorgeous and so iconic, and you know, just very one of a kind. So what I got was a pair of B earrings, and they're like little drop earrings, and they have the GG logo. There is a clear difference to me, in my opinion, between these Gucci earrings and my Dior earrings. I have 3 or 4 pairs of Dior earrings, and my Dior earrings are probably my most worn sets of earrings when it comes to any of these fashion houses. But I will say that there is a clear difference between this pair of Gucci earrings and any of my Dior ones. I think the Dior ones are, even though they're still fashion jewelry, are much higher quality than these Gucci ones. So I will say that, and being completely honest, this is not like a high quality pair of earrings. They kind of look a little bit cheap, if I'm being honest, but I still love them because I love the aesthetic of them and I love the B, and I think they look really nice on me. Okay, so the next item I wanted to share with you guys is what I got from Dior, and I have you guys to thank for it because in one of my last videos, which was called Is This Settling, and I will link it up here in case you missed it or want to see it, is that I was really toying between 2 ideas at Dior and what to get, and one was a handbag, one was an accessory. And I think in my heart I knew what I wanted to do. You guys really shared a lot of your thoughts in terms of what you guys thought I should get, and I really appreciated that because it really affirmed to me what the right thing to do was. Now, I don't typically do unboxings because it's something that personally makes me feel a little bit uncomfortable. Anyway, that's a totally different story and more mental and psychological on my part than anything else probably, but this is the packaging that I wanted to share because Dior is a fashion house that does it like no other fashion house. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say, I think if I did a poll, 100% of you would agree that Dior is the fashion house that really stands out amongst all of the fashion houses in terms of how they do packaging. It is so beautiful, so gorgeous. This is what it came in and how it came packaged. Oh, look at the shine on this thing. I mean, I have no words. It's just so beautiful. So let's get to the actual item. This is the first time I'm seeing it, and I got the Toit de Jouy shawl that I have been eyeing and debating over The Toit de Jouy print is so iconic, so beautiful. I got it in the blue color. It also comes in black, but I thought the black looked a little bit smudgy, so I really preferred the blue. And holy heck, look at this. I'll put the dimensions on the screen, but look how gorgeous this is. This thing is humongous, by the way. Holy heck. This thing is humongous. This feels so beautiful too, by the way. 69% silk, 31% wool, made in Italy. I love it. I love it so much. Look at this. It is so gorgeous. I mean, this thing is so humongous, but let me just show you. The animals are literally the best part. I mean, the animals and the trees, look at the animals. And I love that it's against this white or creamish background because it just pops and it's so beautiful. And I do think that shawls are such versatile pieces that you can really wear in so many different ways. So even though this was very expensive, it's also very versatile. So it's not that I would just wear it one way and just do this. I could wear it for so many different outfits and so many different occasions and style it in so many different ways that I think that it's truly the beauty for this type of accessory. So I'm not gonna lie, this was quite expensive in my opinion, but it is such a versatile piece that I really feel like I'm gonna get a lot of mileage on this type of accessory. You can just style it in so many different ways. You can wear it with so many different outfits, and you can wear it across all 4 seasons. And thanks to you guys for really reaffirming that in my last video through all of your comments, because truly this is so gorgeous. Like there's nothing else like this. I just don't have anything else like this. This print to me is what was so special and beautiful, and I just knew that in a Dior bag, I just wasn't gonna get enough of the print for me to enjoy it and love it. And if you are considering a shawl like this from Dior, then just go for it. Join the Toit de Jouy Club. It is spectacular. This is unlike anything else that I have. So thank you so much for joining me in this video, and I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed it, then I would love it if you can hit the thumbs up button. If you want to go binge watch some of my other videos, then go ahead and do that here, and I will see you in my next one.